Hi friends, today I am showing you how to make juicy, flavorful, sheet pan Ponzu pork chops. A super simple dinner that's packed with bright citrus flavor, that's easy enough for a weeknight and delicious enough for company. Plus, cleanup is a breeze. This tangy, savory, sweet ponzu glaze is what takes these pork chops to the next level. We're mixing ponzu sauce with fresh orange zest, a splash of orange juice, a drizzle of avocado oil, a pinch of ground coriander, and a touch of brown sugar for that perfect balance. It's bold, it's citrusy, it's umami packed, and it comes together in under a minute. I'm using 1/2-inch cut boneless pork chops and then brushing both sides liberally with that delicious ponzu glaze. Flip them over and brush them additionally with more glaze. Season with salt and pepper. You can even let them marinate for a bit if you've got the time, but honestly, they're incredible even without that weight. Now set the pork chops aside and prepare sweet potatoes peeled and sliced, along with apples. I used Pink Lady, and also sweet onions, which I sliced relatively thickly. Make sure to keep the sweet potatoes, apples, and onions roughly the same size so they all cook at the same rate with the pork chops. This meal is all about layers of flavor: savory, sweet, citrusy, and roasted to perfection. Serve it as is or with a scoop of rice or quinoa to soak up that sauce. It's hearty, healthy-ish, and totally satisfying. Now put all the veg in a large bowl, and I almost forgot to say that I added a touch of brown sugar and some crushed red pepper flakes for extra flavor to the ponzu sauce. Pour all that remaining ponzu sauce over the apples, sweet potatoes, and onions. Give it a good stir, and let's not forget to season the veg with salt and pepper to taste. And then add those veggies to the sheet pan with the awaiting pork chops. Keep everything in a single layer on the sheet pan, and then this will be popped into the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes. The pork chop should hit an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and the sweet potatoes should be fork tender when done. It's time to eat. Thanks for watching. Get the full printable recipe at my website kudoskitchenbyrenee.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube.